Hello, how are we doing? I'm trying to get to video on my other stuff. Yes, yeah. Hi again. I'm so excited about today's vlog. Is it a vlog? I don't know. Bought myself a camera. Can you see it? It's called Vivitar. Make a splash so I can use it in water. A 4K Wi-Fi action cam. I know that I said I'm not gonna buy myself anything until I get paid, but it was a deal of a lifetime, so we took it. Anyway, my name is Tumi, for those that don't know me, and if you like this content, so coming to this, I'm going to unbox it. Basically, I'm going to box it. I bought it. I also bought this. What do they call this? Forgot what they call this. What do they call it? Diffuser. I actually like, it's called moon dance. I bought it at home, and the last time that I bought it, oh my god, I bought it I think 4 months ago, and it's finished. And I love the smell. Oh god, I love the smell. I'm so in love with the smell. It's called moon dance. It is so divine. It's not sweet, it's not like too fresh, it's perfect. Yeah, but anyway, I'll use it. I'll pour it in mine. Please don't mind my glasses or here, because I'm going out after this. So now let's talk about this baby here, this new exciting thing. I'm a gadget girl, so I love gadgets. Any gadgets, like, I shall and I will use. So looking at this, it says that it's a Vivitar Make a Splash 4K Wi-Fi action cam. Inside it says, let's see, we'll look at it and see. It's basically an action camcorder that's used by bikers or people that are into sport. But I shall use it to vlog. I'm assuming if it can withstand bikers, I think my lifestyle will work very well for it. Now, the box looks like this. This is how it looks like. And can you see it shows bikers? So it basically ends surfers because it's waterproof. And yeah, it says that it's got a 16 megapixel action cam. It also has a remote control. It's got a Vivitar experience software, which I need to download. Easy guide, waterproof casing, bicycle mounting, helmet mount, rechargeable lithium battery, AC charger, USB cable, an 8 GB micro SD card, and it's 1 year guarantee. Yeah. So apparently it's 16 megapixel. It can be mounted, or it's got 2 mounts included, and I saw them, and it's got a wireless remote. Yeah. Let's open it. Let's open it. Opening it. Because, see, it's open. And this is how it looks like. Basically, yeah. SD card, and it's the 8 GB one, and the guide, easy guide to basically learn how to use it. The mounting, this is basically the camera. This is the camera. It's already put on the mounting something. This is the camera basically. Yeah, so I'll be able to vlog Guyana and watch myself on the phone the minute I have synced it, and I can lock it up in here and use it in the water. I can use it on a mountain, like on a bike, or when I'm hiking. Basically, it'll give my phone a bit of free time. There you go. This is how it looks like, and it's mounted here already, so it's good mount. This is the first mount, and then it's got another one. This is another one, and it comes with this, which I can put on the bike itself if I have a bike, but I don't have. What I'm planning to do is to get a tripod and then put it on the tripod. Basically, that's what I'm gonna do. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. And this is the remote, which I can put anywhere I want, right? So basically, I'll be able to control the thing on this. So let's say I wear like a helmet, not even a helmet. I can like put an Alice band or something like that, and basically you'll see what I see. Exciting times. Hey, I'm so happy with that. I'm so happy with that. And then there's another one. This is for the camera itself, which, as I said, I can mount it on anything, but I'm gonna try and get a tripod. Yeah, I get a tripod. I love the fact that it's so tiny. Then of course the charging port and a lithium rechargeable battery. So I'll have to charge this and then insert it into my camera and use it. And then my next video is gonna actually be on the camera, whether I have it here at home or I have it somewhere else. I'm sorry, I'm actually recording on two because I want to see how it looks. I'm recording on my phone and my iPad. I want to see how everything ends up. I might just start recording on my iPad while I'm still learning my camera. My cute camera. It's so cute. I like the fact that it's red as well. So like I'm so excited. Like I'm so excited. So you open it that way and you insert the battery. Where is the battery now? See the battery. Insert the battery. How do we insert this? Insert the battery. How can do ya? Set the battery. Am I supposed to do something? And then inside, switch it on, and it should switch on. And you put in, oh, there's an HDMI. I didn't know that. So you put in the cord. Where's the USB cord? Where are you now? Oh Oh, there we go. Took me a while to look for it. I'm so excited, like you don't understand. Like I'm like, yes. It lived up to its expectation, really. And then I have to charge it first, of course, like any other electronic device. You have to charge it first before you use it, so that at least it then works, you know. And so I can show you guys. Let me just charge it a bit, right? Not seeing anything that shows that it's charging. Anyway, I need to go and learn it first, and then I'll be able to know how it works. I guess I must charge it for a while. What does it say? Let's look at the easy, because it's called this camera is a plug and play device, so you're able to download all the pictures and videos captured by the camera without software by accessing it in your camera memory card. So it's actually quite easy, which was what I was scared about, the fact that it's going to be difficult and then you don't know what to do. But yeah, it looks like it's going to be easy. Hey, it's going to be very easy. So let me charge the camera as soon as I know how to play with this baby. Look at how small it is. It's so tiny. Like, look, it is so tiny. I love that about it. The fact that it's so tiny, it'll fit in my bag. No. So yes, I've got myself this. I've got myself this. I'm so excited. I know I'm not showing, but yo, wait again. Like, I promised myself that I won't buy myself anything, and then she comes through and I'm like, should I not? And she did. There we go. And I'm loving that decision. Yep. I'm loving the decision, really. So let's see how it works. Hopefully it takes better pictures than this. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. And until next time, bye.